Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to do a print head nozzle check, or test page, on an Epson WorkForce Pro WF-3820. And this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the control panel found on the front of the machine. Now if you're not already on the home screen of the printer that looks like this, just press the home button to be taken here, and then we're going to drag the screen to the left until we can see maintenance. Then we press to go into maintenance, and you see print head nozzle check is the second option down. So press to go into there. Obviously to print a test page you're going to need some paper, so make sure you've got that in there. And then if we give the printer a minute, eventually it'll spit out a page that looks something like this, but hopefully yours is looking a little better on the left. Now what this is a breakdown of the black, cyan, magenta and yellow ink that your printer uses, and it does this fine gate pattern to show how well it can print and its ability to produce those four colours. Now as you can see, I've clearly got some issues with my black cartridge, so we're going to need to do some cleaning. Thankfully, back at the screen, it's asking what our result looks the most like. Obviously we've got issues with that black, so I'm going to click that on, and it'll take us straight to the head cleaning, or cleaning cycles, which basically just pushes ink through the printer's print head to try and dislodge any dried or congealed ink that's causing that print quality problem. So I'm going to go into that, and again this will take the printer a minute. It will use up ink within the ink cartridges, but from here we can just do cleans and test pages until we see an improvement in our print quality. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.